Hi and welcome. Today we will create modern design abstract letter D logo. Below are timestamps for your convenience. Let's get started. Pick Ellipse tool and create a circle while holding Shift key. Right-click on circle and click on transform, then scale it by 250% and click on copy. Remove the fill color. Select this circle and drag it down while holding Shift and Alt keys to make a copy. Now place it when it gives you indication like this. Now hold Shift key, resize from the top point, adjust it with the above circle. Hold Alt and Shift key again to drag this circle a little bit to the left side. When it gives you indication like this, just stop there. Hold Alt and Shift, drag this circle on the very left and stop when you see indication with last circle. Then move it above like this again. You can see it's giving us guide. Now scale it up a little bit from the top right corner while holding Shift key. Now structure is almost completed. Pick Pen tool by pressing P. Now if any path is selected and you click on its anchor point, it will remove that point. So make sure you don't have selected path. Now if you click on this anchor point when shape is not selected, it will add a point. Click second point on this circle's anchor point, then press Escape button. Now draw a path from this circle point to here when it shows you guide, and then next position outside of these shapes. Now pick Direct Selection tool and click on this point. It will show you a round point. Drag it so that you can make this sharp line smoother. Now our basic structure is ready. Select all shapes, then pick Shape Builder tool using Shift M. Now follow me. Click and drag mouse button on any area where you want shapes. And to remove any area, just hold Alt, then click drag mouse on that area. After little work, your shapes are ready. Remove the white fill from this shape. I will just randomly add some colors to all these shapes for now. I am adding some lines over here. It will make this logo more attractive. If you want to skip this step, feel free to click on timestamps below. Select all shapes, then pick Shape Builder tool. Click on each area to create individual shapes. You can see over here this line is not creating shape. Press A to pick Direct Selection tool and click on this point, then move it ahead a little bit so that it crosses this first shape. Now select all again and pick Shape Builder tool. You can see shape is built now. Removing outside lines by pressing Alt and click on it. Give it any random color for now. Now select all and remove stroke. Now it's time to add gradients, so we will bring all related tabs out for our convenience. Bring tabs closer. You will see blue indication showing tabs can be attached together. Select this shape, go to swatches and drag this pink color down to the gradient tab. This blue color and remove this black color. Bring this color tab out and place it over here. Click on this show option. You can see these sliders. Now slide it to left side. Click on this blue gradient slide, then go to color panel. Choose HSB color option because it's very easy to find what color tone are you looking for. Make gradient to radial and adjust it. While shape is selected and filled with gradient, press G to bring gradient tool so that you can adjust gradient easily. Adjust until you get your desired blend of colors. Now select other shape, then pick Eyedrop tool by pressing I and then copy gradient from this previous shape. Similarly, add gradients to all these shapes. And press G to bring gradient tool so that you can adjust gradients. Adjust until you get your desired blend of colors. Select this shape and we will add drop shadow effect. Go to the Appearance tab. Click on this FX icon, then click on Style and choose Drop Shadow. Use Blend Mode Multiply, adjust the opacity. X offset defines where the shadow will case horizontally. Y offset is for vertical position of the shadow. Blur option is for how much intense the shadow will be. Less blurry shadow will have strong shadow effect. Note that this shape should be on the front to cast shadow on other shapes or it won't work properly. Finally, we will create background for this shape. First, create a rectangle. Then apply this gradient on it. Change gradient type to linear. We will need this pink and blue gradient, so we will remove this yellow one. Select this blue gradient slider and make it more darker. Now pick your logo and place it here. Press Ctrl-Shift close bracket to bring the logo in front of background shape. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.